Guys, and welcome to my new vlog. Today I'm going to a place called AmmoDump, Kwenia. Most of you probably have heard of it. Some of you have not heard of it. It's well known for its shooting range. And this place is in Magadi, Kajiado County, which is a 3 hours drive from Nairobi town. So this is me on my way there. I did a little shopping and continued with the journey to this place. It's a great adventure, a great road trip. Though the road here might be a bit narrow, as you can see, you get to experience the great sceneries of this road on your way to Kwenia Dump. In this video, I'm going to show you all the activities we did. Here we had a stopover, and also I'm going to explain more on the activities that you can do here, apart from now the shooting range. Karibuni to AmmoDump, Kwenia. The stopover, as you can see, I just want you to enjoy the views of this place with me. It's breathtaking. You can imagine yourself on this road. There are no people, there are no buildings. It's just you and nature. Enjoy the views of the Magadi road on our way to Kwenia Dump. This was our second stopover after a long stretch from the first stopover that we had. From this tarmac now, we were 14 kilometers away from our destination, but from here we were to join a rough road, which was not very rough. So at this point, we got to catch up with all our friends. We were a big group and we had a lot of fun. We took pictures. We did dances. We had a memorable stopover. It was a great experience. So from here, you will enjoy the views with us on the rough road and the journey now to our destination. This is the main gate at the entrance, but there is no much checkup at this point. Then we got to the second gate. This is where we had more security checkup, and because we had many vehicles, it took a bit of some time, though not a lot of time. So we went through our checkup and finally got in, as you can see. So from here, we were honestly amazed. This is a place in a semi-arid area, and you cannot imagine or you cannot think that someone can come up with an idea of creating such a beautiful place in the middle of nowhere. To be honest, this is very creative. This is amazing. The place looked awesome. It's a very hot place, but once you get in, you can't believe there are houses, there are tents where people can stay here, and also you get to practice very many activities in this place. So at first, before we did anything else, I started checking out the accommodation part, and I started with the tents. To be honest, the tents are very beautiful, very well organized, as you can see, very clean. Everything here is clean and well organized, and there is enough space for for your items, for you to store anything you need. There is a mini fridge for your drinks because the place is hot. And also outside there are shared bathrooms and washrooms, which are very clean, very hygienic. And in these tents there are tents which can be shared by 2 or more people, and also there are tents which has a master bed which can only be shared by 2. So there are many options to choose from. And also there are sockets. You can work from here. There is a table and a chair, so you can do your work here. Whatever your work is, the space is very convenient for you. After the accommodation area, the tents, on this other side you'll find a place which looks like a restaurant or a lounge. It's a place where you can have your meals. You can also play games as a group. You can also have your drinks here. You can choose to relax from the hot weather. And also there are games on the table, so you can either bring your games from outside or you can use the games which are provided here. On the outside space, you also get to experience different activities. And also, as you can see, there are people who prefer to come with their own tents. So you'll just pay a small amount if you choose to carry your own camping gear. Also, on this open space, you can have bike tours. There are bicycles for rent. There is also, on the lounge I showed you, you can get to experience live music performances. There is a fitness center. And there are also outdoor activities like archery. There is an archery place. You saw it at the beginning of the video. And also there are game drives. There are live sports events which take place in this place. Those are the many activities which happen here. Now before I show you the main activity why we are here, which is the shooting range. Hey there, fellow firearms enthusiasts. Today I'm thrilled to share my experience at AmmoDump, the go-to-go spot for an unforgettable shooting range adventure. So this is me at the shooting range, and let me tell you, it's more than just a shooting range. It's a haven for anyone who appreciates precision, safety, and definitely a good time. First off, let's talk firepower. AmmoDump boasts an impressive array of firearms, from the trusty 9mm pistol to sleek shotguns and powerful rifles. I know the terms are confusing, but that is what you were taught before we started this experience. So this is me. I chose the pistol because I really had anxiety before shooting. But these guys are really patient with you, whether you're a first timer or you're used to shooting. They are very patient and they take their time to teach you. So what sets this place apart is their commitment to safety and expertise. They have implemented top-notch safety measures, including vigilant range officers, thorough safety briefings, and the latest in safety equipment. I felt completely at ease, allowing me to focus on the great experience of hitting those targets. Overall, to be honest, my time at AmmoDump Kwenia was nothing short of fantastic. This place has great atmosphere, the variety of firearms. Now this one depends on your budget, or if you have anxiety, or if you're that person who can use all the firearms. The expert will guide you and you will create an unforgettable shooting experience. It's safe to say that AmmoDump has earned its spot as one of my top recommendations for a day of shooting fun. If you're a shooting enthusiast person looking for a perfect shooting range, do yourself a favor and check out AmmoDump Kwenia. Trust me, you won't be disappointed. And there you have it, folks. That concludes our fantastic day here at AmmoDump Kwenia. I hope you enjoyed tagging along on this adventure as much as I enjoyed it bringing it to you. So these are the bike tours I was talking about. You get to experience many more outdoor activities. And AmmoDump Kwenia isn't just a shooting range. It's an experience. The variety of firearms, the expert guidance, and the commitment to safety all come together to create an environment that's perfect for enthusiasts of all levels. You also get to play pool, and at this point it's getting late. We enjoyed some dances before leaving the venue. We couldn't believe that the day was over, but to be honest, it was great. I had a blast exploring the different guns, meeting the friendly staff, and witnessing the joy of people's faces as they hit their targets. Hey, it was awesome. Some hit the 10 out of 10, some 7, but it was awesome seeing everyone participate in this game. It is clear that AmmoDump Kwenia is a place where passion for shooting meets precision. A big thank you to the team at AmmoDump Kwenia for hosting us today. Remember, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an adventure. Until next time, stay safe, keep exploring, and happy shooting. Bye!